cuss. I said, me never tell you for buying a food in me too enough. A big one, me say, I felt so. The night I cried for Tikki and her mother. That's why I say, I'm a little girl. I know say, you're earthy, you lack love. I'm going to try to protect you. So when you gotta come out and talk, I make people feed you. You don't know nothing about me. I've been around you only for 1 week. And that was when I was in New York. You know nothing about me. I came out 4 years ago. 4 years ago was when I had my first interaction with a man. You don't know anything about me. The voice note speaks directly to the fake relationship, and how the person with her.
Spice, can you please hear the voice note?
Lecturer there. So why me? Why would she be broken?
I guess she was expecting more. I don't know why Tikki's of the impression that you are.
No, but I don't. That's what I'm saying. But we talk. Let's get it on phone right through, and we talk. Even when we were at the live, my boyfriend in Jamaica was on my other phone there, and so I don't understand. My boyfriend in Jamaica was on the phone there throughout the entire live.
I remember you
so I don't understand what is going on. Because Tikki knows everything about me. Tikki go up and call with me, my boyfriend in Jamaica, 3-way call.
Hold on the Spice. You see now? But we defend now, and we ride blood clot and talk be a thing say, because Tikki the more than blood clot no get over here, so pull it up over the period here from blood clot start, guys. So whenever that tell her nothing wrong, and the customer we get on the ears with the one with blood clot have, that's why you should have blood clot, protect her some blood clot, and talk and play.
No, because Tikki, because we don't want to get it. Because you see, let me tell you, mother, the same people I'm over here, so I don't care when none of the office saying, okay? You see the same people over here, so I want to see them go sit down and listen to the liar and farm on their own impression.
Yeah, but that's how it's fight to the plate.
Tikki pathological. I mean, I don't know validation from none of them.
Okay. Because 1,500 I want to hear. So when we have bust it, when we have blood clot talk, when we hear it, we don't own a blood clot ears. And a story this coming to hear it long time. Play Spice.
Madam.
Yeah.
Madam, let me tell you this. Tikki know this already. I brought Tikki to sit down and have a conversation, the three of us in the car. She know this. Tikki move the gun from Trev head. You're rude. You can't have no secret for me. None.
Okay.
I want thing them. But mother, what on them? Because I tell you, I'm going to post the voice note in the car. Me all a drive, you know. Tikki want to talk about a secret. Tikki, if you have, I know Tikki 1 week. 1 week, I carry Tikki around for. Tikki have a secret for me. I'm Tikki a friend. Me have 2 friends.
Just play back for you, please. We could hear it. Come on, hear it again. Do me a beg you. Because she got class, you know, and me have to go come back and clap back. And I have to go blood clot come, because we're going to take it to her straight. Play it back, my love, because my man dopey. And thanks very much, I appreciate it.
And we go until I said bomb and we leave and go home and she and I left her there. So why would she be broken?
I guess she was expecting more. I don't.
Mother, remember, I know, and me and big one call the guy now and I say, Trev, that's why I say Tikki is a wicked. And that's why I say anything I'm today, and you put me in a position to do it because you want to play messy and dirty.
Okay,
yes, when big one call the guy the morning, and I said to him, say, Trev, you come at the party looking so nice. Why you make Tikki come out of the house look so? That's for sure it's a big one, genuine. So when me I talk to the guy...
Alright, Spice, play the verse note first, and then we'll talk, girl. We'll discuss it. Play the verse note, come up, play the verse note.
No, but I don't, that's what I'm saying, but we talk, let's get it on phone right through, and we talk. Even when we were at the live, my boyfriend in Jamaica was on my other phone there, and so I don't understand. My boyfriend in Jamaica was on the phone there throughout the entire live.
I remember
so I don't understand what is going on. Because Tikki knows everything about me. Tikki go up and call with me, my boyfriend in Jamaica, 3-way call. So I don't understand what is it that's going on. So what more can I do or to say when we have convo that we're in nothing? You sit in the car when we tell Tikki that it's not going anymore. We're fine as friends.
I'll tell you something as a friend. There is something I'm really.
That's a one different conversation.
Yeah. You hear the plot, him and Tikki I use like it's a prank. And like Tikki know it's a prank, and Tikki I go over the prank. Cause him been mad, upset first time, upset so Tikki kiss him. And Spice, no,
Baby
that
girl,
is
I don't want you
true.
to trust me with that stupid. No, but mother,
Spice,
wait,
no,
wait,
that
it's a
is
ticket.
true.
Mother, I saw that I saw that on YouTube. You could see he was disgusted that he kissed him.
Because
He
of
was
Spice,
disgusted at it.
but Spice, but what we do?
Body smalls.
Okay.
The fuck outside.
Anything else they have?
For turnstile, I think it said Spice fuck side.
Yes, and push up the Heineken buckle. All right, and I think you alone, sister. Trev said when in the car, when then just done fuck, and in the car when stink of shit. And then when Trev comes sit down in the car, Trev run out of his slippers and say he can't stand in the car because the car smell like a sore foot. Because Tikki come catch smells that take the hood in the car. So when Trev run. When Trev run, Trev takes back Tikki and say, and not because Tikki when the love upon him in the car, it's because the car when stink of shit. And I'm his sister, Tikki sister, a Trev sister.
Yeah.
He also said something very important just now. He said where she said it's not because she was loving up on Trev. Let me tell you this. Tikki said she helped to build the page. She helped to build the page. Tikki also said she put gas in my car. You know, to come in the Bronx, you have to pay toll in and out.
Yeah.
So I picked her up in Manhattan that I had to pay toll, and then I went to the Bronx.
I'm gonna cut you. She never buy no gas put in my car. When I drive her from Brooklyn, got the dirty run down Ottawa, she did there stay, so she can come tell me say me buy truck to
I'm gonna tell you how the gas came about.
To my man did I drive the truck? I'm my man a drop off girl. When I supposed to blood clot drop off, same could I come tell me say me buy truck man for drive. Yeah, but go on and she never buy no gas, give me never come over
Yeah, so I'm saying I picked her up in Manhattan. I brought her to Bronx. So we're in the Bronx. We bought food. And then Trev wanted the food. And then she asked me to bring the food all the way from Bronx to Queens. I said, girl, that's gonna cost me an extra toll. If I'm gonna bring a food 30 minutes to somebody, you're gonna have to put gas in my car. That's how the gas came about. So she did buy gas that day, put in my car. Because I'm driving 30 minutes to bring our food to somebody.
When me drive our
brought the food to the guy.
Me drive our I'm gonna cut you up. Me drive our 42 minutes. And me never charge her no gas. And she still come and class and angle me and talk to me by the truck the man to drive. Me never ask no gas for no gas yet. When me carry my car, me not carry no battery man in my car again. Myself, when I'm stranded, if I'm a blood clot connect, I mean, the girls that have come a long time, but I can't no girls from no big with no blood clot drive coming out, can not, you know. Yeah, the boy and the boy, because on the boy that they are now, I don't know if the boy ever come back in my life, but I can't no girl in night blood clot dead. Why?
Yeah, but I'm saying I brought her many places. I never asked for gas.
Hold on there, guys. Early morning, I'm now do this for you. Come about
look here now, pack up over here and not send no gifts. Come here, back no.
No, I'm gonna sub my live because I say I'm here pocket to my hand and the live go. Me want 20 I can't get to my love. And when I sub, go on 5.
Hold on, baby. So I'm saying, mother, that I brought her many places before. I never asked for gas. That's the day she bought gas and put in my car. When I drive 32 minutes to bring her food from Bronx to Brooklyn. You see, when we got to Brooklyn, she ended up hopping over in the back and wanted to touch on the guy. And the guy got so mad and cross. Yes. And walked out of the car and slammed the car door, not even saying thanks. You know what the guy said afterwards? She too enough. Whenever she marks to buy the food, a big one he marks the food. Tikki, I've been trying to spare you and I've been trying to play nice with you. And you have the crowd. So you tell a lot of lies and people are going to believe it. But I'm telling you, today I'm going to slap here. You know, I see even at the voice note, me I said to the guy, did you know Tikki was the night when them when them have on the black scrubs and them do the live? I'm going to say to him, did you know Tikki was so broken that night? Madam, I tell you, I'm genuinely like the girl. Me hear Tikki all I say, I want you in our drive, go Tennessee truck, you run on that truck and half your body gone, so your head gone. So me I say, look at this person I went to pick up. And I carry around and let you feel like you're a part and see you for who you are.
Okay,
and for
very good. Okay,
for you to speak all those things about me.
Tikki can't lock up now. Tikki can't lock up nobody because Tikki talk the things they forget lock up. Tikki talk the things they forget lock up and they get no stay in America. I see the things they pray the vast no spice. I cash it out to other one. That's why you see something for sorry for people. Cause we see her dirty ways, I would see her, cause remember she a girl when I listen none time, the care you talk, she not listen. Because she have a